Welcome friends to the next video regarding BSC pad IDO and which was trail and Polka trail and which price was if we talk about the bank price, it was like in $1 you could get the 15, so it was $0.0667 per token, and they gave me an allocation of 3.2819 BUSD. So if we get 0.056, we get like 49 tokens. So if we talk about my selling point, we bought in $0.066 and I was able to sell it like price of $0.089, almost 0.09. so it was like pretty much good profit, like almost 30%, let's say. And if I take you to the Excel sheet, so as you can see, my total buying was $3.28 and I was able to sell it on $4.38, including the PNB transaction fees I paid for unlock the claim the token and then sell them, and it total gave me profit of $0.28. so we invested in like 1 2 3 4 5 6 IDOs, and until now the whole profit is like $35.82. It's like whole month now, and we have claimed this one also, so I will turn it to green. Regard next IDO, Polka, which is like a poker type of IDO, so I will avoid it. I will not go with it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and leave your thought regarding the BSC pad IDOs, what you think and how it will perform in the future. And if the market goes up, definitely price will be appreciated, and if the market goes down, maybe we will able to get more BSC pad on the discount price. And my final thought about it, that there will be only maybe 1 or 2 best IDOs like Tron pad or Cross wallet will be in 1 month. So let's see how it goes. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.